Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I would like to share with you what I think would be the simplest pattern to make a hanging dishcloth. That's one of those dishcloths we like to hang over the stove and secure them so well that they don't fall on the floor. This is very, very, very easy, and there's very, very little sewing involved. What we need is a dishcloth, a piece of elastic, and a button. I have my dishcloth, a button, and I'm needing an elastic. Now you can use whatever elastic you want. I do have the round one, so I will be using that. And I'm going to take and put the two ends together and tie a knot. Then I'm going to take this and put it in the seam of my dishcloth. Most of the dishcloths are just stitched right along the edge, and they're not closed. So I have that space. I'm just wanting to stick that in that empty space. I do want to make sure that whatever loop I have will fit the button. Now just do a stitch here to close it off. And you really can go to the machine or just do a hand stitch. What I want to do is just stitch right above that knot. So I have the knot over here and I'm stitching in front of it. I just want to make sure that this loop doesn't pull out. I have the loop on the one side, and on that matching short side I'm going to put the button. Nothing fancy, we're just sewing on the button. And that's all there is to attaching this. Let me show you how we're going to put it on. So let's say this is the handle. I'm just going to drape it over the handle. So it's going behind that handle, and then just bring that button forward and do it up. And that's all there is to it. The nice thing about this is there's nothing bulky, and we can use it as a regular dishcloth. We can also just do that up so that it can hang on a hook. One button, a little piece of elastic, and we're going to be able to hang this up on our stove handle, the dishwasher handle, or even a cupboard. And there's no special tools required. This is definitely a simple design for a hanging dishcloth. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a Sewtacular day. Bye for now.